In this video, I will show you how to make a speaking AI avatar like this.
Create AI avatars with unique personalities and use them as virtual influencers for brand endorsements and promotions. Partner with companies to feature the avatars in their marketing campaigns.
So you'll be using this software, guys, okay, to create these kind of AI speaking avatars, guys, okay. So remember, with this software is called Vidnoise AI. Remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access with Vidnoise AI. So what you can do actually here, guys, okay, when I click here to home, okay, you will see some of many AIs talking avatars that you can give that you can access, and also they have so many templates based on the project that you want to do, guys, okay. So as you can see that, okay, for this software they have 442 AI talking avatar templates, okay. If let's say that you want to create a AI news channel, okay, you can also use these AI talking avatars, guys. It is so amazing. Let me just preview some of these AI talking avatars for you so that you can see how do they sound like, and also the templates that this software that they have, okay. So as you can see that, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click here and try to preview this one for red breaking news. As you can see that, I'm just gonna click here and preview this. Let's see, I'm just gonna let's give it some time to load it up. Let's play.
Welcome to this video news template. Create videos to report breaking news. The video starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of your channel. Tell key information, including who, what, when, where, and why of the story. Use clear and concise language and keep the content brief. This is the video ending. Add your channel ID and use it as a video watermark.
So as you can see that it is so good, it is so amazing, guys, using these AI avatars, okay. So what you can do, I'm just gonna show you some of the AI talking avatars that you can use. I'm just gonna use this one, these avatars. As you can see that for this one they have 434 avatars. You can just use for Adam, for suit and stuff, for formal. You can just scroll here and choose any AI avatar that you want to use. For this one, I think it's gonna be good for YouTube videos, and also for this one for YouTube videos. You can just choose any avatar that you want based on the specific goal that you want to achieve, guys, okay. You can also use AI talking avatar photos. For here they have 61, but you can also upload your own photos here. As you can see that these are the ones that you can choose. What you can do, so it's gonna be showing you some of the recent projects that you created using this software, guys, okay. So what I'm gonna do actually, guys, with this software you can also, guys, clone your own voice, guys, okay. This is the new feature that Vidnoise AI just recently published. So this is the new feature that you can use to clone your own voice here on this software, and also you can also upload your own voice that you want to use. So in this video, let me choose the one that I want to use. Let's say that I want to use for this one, for medicine, for vlogger. I'm just gonna, I didn't use Adam. Did I use Adam? No, let me just use Adam. Let's just preview first and see what does Adam
Vidnoise
says.
AI brings your idea to high quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers.
No, I don't like Adam. So what I'm gonna use, let me just go back here. You can also use a teacher or a host, formal, what you can, let's just use for this one for HR. Let's click here for HR. Let's use it. Let's preview.
Vidnoise AI brings your idea to high quality videos with AI avatars
I like
and voiceovers in minutes.
I like this one. I think, guys, it's gonna be perfect for using this one. Let's say for YouTube videos, it's gonna be much perfect. What you can do, you can also edit here, guys, okay. You can also edit here and change the table, whatever. Look at this, there's a phone, there's a cup, there's a laptop, okay. I'm just gonna click here to generate. You can also use for YouTube videos. It is good for choose a landscape. It's much good for YouTube videos. For social media platforms, you can use it for portrait one, okay. For YouTube videos, I'm gonna use a landscape and click here to generate. So when I click here to generate, this is what I can do with Vidnoise AI, okay. Let me pause the okay. So first of all, we'll go to ChatGPT, because when I go use a script from ChatGPT, I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is gonna is gonna write a script for us that we'll be using from Vidnow's AI. So instead of writing any script, I'm just gonna copy this script from ChatGPT. This content I'm just gonna use here. I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Vidnow's. As you can see that, okay, you can also delete this content. You can also paste the content that you took from ChatGPT, or what you can do actually, guys, you can also write any content that you want to use from Vidnow's AI. You can also write it here. My internet connection, it is so slow. You can also write like this, or you can also paste this content. When I paste the content that you took from ChatGPT, you can also upload your own voice. It is much good. Those are some of the features that Vidnow's offers. You can also choose this AI voice. As you can see that you can also choose any voice that you want to use from Vidnow's AI. Let's just see. Just let me preview this one.
Vidnow's AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
It sounds amazing. So what you can do, you can just click here.
Vidnow's AI brings your idea.
I want to just use this one.
Vidnow's AI brings your idea.
And then I'm just gonna click here to apply. This is applied, guys. So this is the voice that I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna click here to apply. So what you can do, you can also choose the average speaking rate. Okay, you can also choose that. So you can also add subtitles. So what I'm gonna do, you can also use this feature to AI script writer. So what's gonna happen, Vidnow's is gonna write a script for you like ChatGPT. So what you can do actually, guys, you can gonna click here to generate the video. It's generating the video. So I'm gonna pause the video. I'll come back when it is done. So it is done, guys. Let's play the video.
Build AI avatars for entertainment purposes, such as virtual actors or characters in video games and interactive experiences. License the avatars to game developers or filmmakers.
So as you can see that, guys, it sounds so good. What you can do, you can just click here to download the video. It's going to be downloaded straight on your laptop or on your PC, guys. Okay, so if you want to get an access with Vidnow's AI, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access with Vidnow's AI. If you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you. Good luck, sharp, guys.